Hi, Prisha.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Okay, so we are having our second session over this topic, that is decimal of numbers, right?
Yeah.
So let us dive in this session. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday we have already covered the basics, and today we'll be discussing more questions, um, more variants, and we'll be also practicing that what we covered yesterday, and we'll be also checking what you've done in your homework, right? So the warm-up practice will be coming with homework, then we'll revise, and then we'll move to the next topic. Okay.
hmm
All right. So here we go to your homework first. Were you having any doubt in any questions?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just jumping to your answer sheet. Wait. Yes.
So in this one, yeah. So I put a line on question number 6 because I didn't understand that one, so I asked my mum for help.
Okay. And this question I have also highlighted because the calculation you've done, firstly, I'd like to know that how you have done this calculation to understand your concept.
So first, because seven is this, so seven comes in seven times table, so you would write one. But the next one, because it's eight, you would write one again and then carry over for 14, and then
Right.
14 would be two, and then decimal point, and then for the two, you take that as because there's already a decimal point, you would put a 20 for it, and then a two for 14.
Yeah. Okay. So now let me make you understand that how you are going to work with this problem. So here you see 784 my point 2, and then this is divided by 7, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I already told you we can also put it in under this and we can simply divide it. Okay. So even the direct method can also work. Firstly, you may have started from here and this 7 1 ja 7. That is correct. Okay.
Yep.
And then you told like you divided this number that is 7 1 ja 7 once again, then the one carry, right?
Yes.
So
And then two.
it becomes 14. So
14.
yeah, 7 2 ja 14.
14.
But now the problem is here. Decimal, okay, let us forget about decimal for now. But 2, can 2 be divisible by 7?
No.
No. So you know when a number is not divisible by number, then what we put?
A zero?
Yes, that was the mistake you've done, and all the things were correct. So we have kept a 0 here, right? Because it was not divisible, right? Did you
Oh.
understand? Yes. So we kept a 0, and the point would be here. The initial point would be here. And now you think, I'm just asking you before I just tell you the answer. uh, just let me know, what do you think what would happen next when 2 is remained?
Two will be the remainder.
Yeah, but why we are writing 2 here? Because 2 cannot be divided, right? And here is the thing, here is the problem with this question, that 2 cannot be divided by 7 and it's already decimal part. So what happens in these type of questions? We simply write 2, that is correct, you told correctly, and we put a bar over it as well. So we will write here 2 and we'll put a bar. Bar means what? This 2 can't be divided because this is already decimal. And why we have added 0? 0 is added because in the first place, when division is not possible, then we add 0, right?
Okay, yeah.
So this bar represents what? This bar represents that this
That
is,
is the remainder.
yeah, not a remainder, but it will come again and again, again and again. Okay. Okay. There
Yeah.
is there is another approach to see this question. And what is that another approach? Let me show you how. This is a little advanced here. But I already make you understood yesterday. Like this decimal part can be written here 1 and then 0, right?
Yes.
And then 7 here this side. Okay. So we can write like this, right? Okay. Now the second thing I would like to tell you, like this is 7, I can write like 7, 8, 4, 2, and then upon 10, and this can be written as 7 upon 1.
Yeah.
Okay, division symbol 7 upon 1. Now just see what is happening here. Now in these type of questions, there is a trick that what you can do. This can be done in this way. The number must be written in this way, and then make the symbol multiplication, and then turn this number. The reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon,
One.
yes, 1 by 7. Okay. So now initially what do you see? You see this becomes 70, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. So it would be 7, 8, 4, 2 on 70.
Yeah, right. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us move with the stuff. Our question now can be written in this simplified form. 70, we will divide this number by 70. So 71 ja 70, and then 8, and then
4.
this 4. How many times? One time.
Yeah. And then
Then
14.
now guess, you know already seventh table, right?
2. 2 take away 140. So
Yeah,
2 will go up there and 1. And
140.
then 2.
Great. Yeah. And then the remainder, as you told that time, but now what is to observe? Let's see. So remainder is 2. That's correct. But the thing was like it cannot be divided. So um, what can we do? Firstly, we will write. We'll put a point here, right? And then we can increase a 0 because when you put a
Yeah.
decimal, 0 can be increased, right?
Yeah.
But still, is it divisible? 20 is divisible by 70?
No.
No. So we will write a 0 once again. And then when we write a 0, then what happens? We can
You can
increase
add
one.
0 there. Yeah.
Yes. Great. So how many times it would go?
2, 140.
Great. 140. Then what is the remainder
60.
here? 60. It will be continued likewise.
Yeah.
Then this, right?
So 02, 02, 02, 02, 02.
No, not two. I just wrote that for just making it round off. But it will become like 7. How many times? 7, 8 ja.
56.
7, 8 ja.
56.
56. Yeah. So now exactly we are finding what would be the data. So this is what? Now this 40, and then it will become 400. So it will be continued. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the logic behind it. You can keep on solving it and this will continue, right?
Mm-hmm.
So almost we can find the answer till here. That is the round off value. That is 111, sorry, 112.02,
But I
right?
think the second method that you said is a bit harder. Like it will take longer.
It will take a longer time. Yeah.
So what was the first method that you said?
First method is very simple, like 7. Like you have done with the first method. 7 1 just 7, then 7 1 just 7, and then 7 2 is 14. Then here decimal you can keep at the same place, but 2 is not divisible, right? 2 is not divisible by 7, right?
Yeah.
So we will put a 0 here, and then we will put this remainder same because it is not divisible. So the initial value is 112.02. Are you getting that?
Kind of.
Are you being distracted? Don't be distracted. Okay, focus on class. Yeah. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, and then 7 2 ja 14. That's
Yep.
all we have done, but 2 can't be divided. That's why we are adding this another 0. And the mistake you done, that was you did not keep 0. That was the only mistake. And then the 2 would be remainder because we are not playing with that number now.
But I thought we don't. But I thought if we put a decimal point, we can use the zero, and then and then it will be 20. So
20.
we
Yeah.
don't the zero. So why do we
Yeah.
need the zero?
Yeah. That's why I told you this. We need 0 because here this has become 70 actually, because there is a decimal and decimal shows this is this part. This is not 2. This is actually 20th. You forgot. Yesterday I told you the concept. This is not 2. That is the mistake we are considering it 2.
Oh,
This is 20th part. 20th part means 1 upon 20.
1 20.
Yes. So 1 upon 20. And now it is being divided by 7. Right? So I can
Yeah.
also say if I need to turn it into like then 7 would be divided it will be turned up the same method 120 multiplied by 1 upon 7, because when we turn this symbol this become 1 upon 7.
Oh,
This is a bit harder because I included this advanced question. So for now you can skip this part if you haven't understood, no worry.
okay.
Okay. And this method can always be used, like if you are confused then you simply just align with this data. And yesterday I told you another method that was about multiplying with the base 10. Like this is 10th, so we can multiply both side, 7 into 10, and then we'll multiply with this. So this will be 7 8 4 2 without decimal, and this will be 70.
Oh, so you can change the decimal to be a zero for the 7.
Yeah. Okay, let me just ask you a question with the same idea. Like 6.4 multiplied by 5. If I need to turn it into whole number, what would I do? I would multiply with, sorry,
6,
sorry,
6,
this is
so
division, division.
6 divided by 64 divided by 50.
Yes, great. That's what I wanted to convey. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, one more question. 6.504 divided by 2. What will be the whole number? This side, let me know. Sorry, this is division.
Yeah. It would be 6,504 divided by 20.
No, 1, 2, 3. How many zeros?
So it would be divided by 2,000.
Great. So this is one of the way you can solve these questions with. Okay. Okay. Now coming to another doubt. Any other doubt you were having in any other question?
No.
No. Okay. So now I'm just going to talk about this question, that is question number 7, because this is also having a minor correction. So here you've done well, like you have gone with this 5 1 ja 5, right? And then
Yep.
yeah, 5 1 ja 5, that's correct. Then can you divide 2 with 5?
Oh,
So what can we do?
as
1.
it's supposed to be 1, 0, and then 5.
Great. Then wait. Why 5? Okay, yeah, 5 5 is 25, and then
Yeah,
4 4.
and
Now
then
the 45. Yes, correct.
9. Yeah, then there's no 9.
You got this question?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, all right. So rest of them are correct. And now coming to this question, that is 224.4 divided by 4. Now see this. You have done 4 5s are 20. That's okay.
Yep.
Now 2 carried with
Oh,
24, right? Now what would you
yeah,
do?
it'll be 6.
Yeah, so this will be 5 and then
6.
6. 6 and then point.
And point 1.
Great. Okay,
I forgot to carry over.
no problem. And rest of the questions are okay because you've done so nicely. Any other things you want to ask in this particular worksheet?
No.
Okay, coming to the second part. So these questions, like you've done well. I just want to ask, like, which methods have you applied in this? Like, how did you do this second question?
So, how I did the second question.
Yeah.
So, how I did the second question was. So, how I did the second question was that I took the 3.15 to be the 1.5 to be 1.50, so that there would be 315, so that after the decimal in both numbers have two after. So and then I did that as 0, and then I multiplied it by 100, and then I did 315 divided by 150.
Great. Congratulations, you have done all the questions correctly in this worksheet. But one thing I would like to say for this ninth question, you have written 7.20. Can there be another answer possible for this?
Yes.
Yeah,
7.2.
great. Okay. Okay, since you've understood this part, we may move with something else. Okay. So, firstly, a little concept I would like to ask from you.
Mm-hmm.
What if I write a number like 0.5? What will be the fraction value for this?
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Then you can solve, then you can tell me just simplified answer.
1 by 2.
Great. Can we call it half?
Yes.
Okay. What about this? What will be the fraction value for this?
1/4.
Great. All right. What about this?
33 by 10. I mean 100.
Yeah, 33 by 10 or
100.
100? 100. Okay. Great. So you know these concepts clearly. Okay. So now if I ask you the question in some different way, like can you tell me what will be the answer in this box?
No.
Okay. So this is another type for this division of decimals. When answer is given, the result is given, and this is called what? You understand all the things? Divisor, remainder, quotient.
Remain right. I don't know what division is.
Okay. Dividend. Do you understand dividend? Okay. All right. So when we call about like this is called quotient, right? And the number which we divide by, that is called divisor.
So the answer is called quotient.
Quotient, yeah. And then this is called dividend. Okay. All right. So let us now find dividend. What would here be? So we see this is not direct division, but this question is a little tricky and based on reasoning. So I'm asking a simple question before we jump to this question in a whole number. What
Yeah.
if number would have been this 5 and then here it would have been written probably um 2. Now can you tell me what would be the answer, possible answer?
10.
10. Can you tell me how did you just solve this question?
Um, I did 2 times 5.
But how? What is the concept? You have done this
So
mentally, but we have to find the concept. Which what concept have you used?
so it's like so the reverse operation of division is multiplication. So you multiply the two numbers that are given to you to find the whatever number that you want to find.
Right. So the opposite of division is multiplication.
Yep.
Okay. So what we have done in this question, like you have done it well, you actually did nothing. You actually multiplied with this number, and then the
Yeah.
result is this. You got my point?
I was supposed to for the first question I was supposed to do 0.5 times 5.0.
Yes. Great. Great. So this is multiplication, and you have already done multiplication part in with previous teacher, right?
Yeah.
6. Okay. So can you tell me the answer?
I need to do it on the book. 2.5.
Yes, that is 2.5. So this type of questions can also be asked in the exam since it is related to reasoning and the question based on reasoning comes in this topic. Okay, so you have done with this. I hope you understood this concept, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me try some questions. Tell me the answer.
Um. 2.
Great. Great. Okay. So what if I change this the type? I simply write here like 2 and then I give a box here and then I write here 5. You already know the answer, but what will be the method? Can you guess?
Oh, so you have to do you don't have to do like um, you just have to do 5 times 2 again. It doesn't really matter if it's in
5
which
times
box.
2 5 times 2 is 10, but that is wrong answer. You can see. Think about like you must use your brain. I want you to find the concept within. Can you try? Okay, I'm giving you easy question. What will be the answer?
5.
How did you solve it?
Because I know that 20 divided by something is 4.
Yeah, that is great. You have done it mentally, but I want to know the concept.
So
Concept is
you can do like for the reverse operation again. 4 times what equals to 20?
4 times what?
4
Yes.
times what equals to 20 will be
Great,
the answer.
great. But the result we are having 20. So 4 times what not? We will simply get this concept like yes, 20 divided by 4.
Oh, right, yeah.
Right? This is the concept. So now the question has become easier for you, right? Can you solve this now?
2.5.
No. Okay, so for this question we have to understand like how we can divide this type of number. So this is basically nothing but 2 divided by 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's do together. Can it be divided?
No. So it would be 0 point. Then you need a 0 for 20, and then
Yeah,
4.
great. Great. The answer is
0.4.
yeah. So that was the question. The question will demand this answer that is zero point 0.4. Did you understand the concept?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you have understood the concept, just let me know about this. Wait a moment, wait a moment. Just no. Let me make this question little tricky. Yeah. So you may do like the result is 2.5. Solve this.
Mm.
Are you able to solve?
Is it 0.5?
0 point?
5.
What methods have you applied here?
I did 2.5 divided by 5.
2.5 divided by 5. Okay.
Yeah.
So you got 0 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Let's cross verify. So it will be like this. Then we'll have multiplication of 10. Then it will be 50 upon 5. So the answer is 10. Your answer is incorrect. Still work
Oh.
on it. Okay. Once again, I'm revising this concept. The concept is very simple. Like it shows, like I have told you in this simple question, 20 divided by 5. How we found it? We divide this number, the number which is given, right? This number by the result, the 4. So 20 divided by 4, the answer was 5. So here in this question also, 2 was divided by 5, the answer was 0 0.4. So in this question, what would happen? Same would happen. This 5 would be divided by 2.5. Are you getting my point?
So
Wha-
2.5 would go inside the little bus stop.
Yes, because when we divide by this number, this becomes, okay, let's divide 5 upon 2.5, We can do 10 into 10. It will be 50 upon 25, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then it will become 2.
Oh.
Are you getting
Oh
that?
yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
But how am I supposed to remember that for which box I need to do like division or multiplication?
Uh, because you have to understand that which side it is. Like the simple concept can be done. Like you can put two whole numbers, like this example. You can do this. When you are confused, just do this. Take any number, any two number, and just decide. Like you can take this number, 4, and then you can pick a box here, and then you write 4, 2. Then you may understand how it arrived. So you will call like
Oh.
division, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you understood this concept. Shall we work on questions?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So here we are. Simple question first. What will be the answer?
4.
Great. So that's how you found like what it has to be done. In this, you have just divided, right? You
Yeah.
understood this concept. So on the basis of this, there can be any concept like 15. What will be the answer? What will be doing method? Tell me first. Division or multiplication?
Division.
Great. So the question will become like this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you solve it?
Um.
Make it whole number first. How, which multiplication you will do? 10, right?
10. Yeah.
Yes. The question will
So
become initially 150 divided by 75.
10.
Now you can find the answer.
2.
Great. I hope you understand this concept more
Yeah.
clearly now. The more you practice, the more you will understand the concept. Wait. Yeah. Answer without any help. What are you doing? Multiplication or division?
Division.
Great.
0.03.
How have you done? Look at this. Whenever this type of question is there, like 75 and 2.5. So you see like decimal is after one digit. So we'll multiply both of the number with what?
10.
10. So firstly do this thing. Or you can simply put 10 just afterwards and then you can remove the decimal from here. Now, table of 25, if you do not know, you can find the table like how many times
Oh, I did 25 divided by 750.
you did 25 divided by 75. Like that.
Yeah. No, 25 divided by 750. So I put 25 in the bus stop.
Oh, okay. You need not to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the answer now, can you tell me the answer? What will be the answer?
The answer would be 40.
How? Solve it now.
So
Let
first, if you take the zero away for now,
mm,
25, 60, no, 50. 25, 50, 75, so 30.
yeah,
Oh,
got it.
yeah.
I guess this demands more practice because the concept is little tricky.
Yeah.
Tell me.
1 second. 15.
You have done division in this way.
Yeah. Yes.
You can also cancel this, right?
Yeah. And then I did it normally. Yeah.
Great. Okay, well done. Okay, so finally this was a kind of little tough class because the concepts were higher, right? I understand by reading your face like how these things were, but how did you like this? Tell me honestly.
It was hard.
It was hard. Um, Actually, what happens when we are having something harder than the comfort zone we are living? We have to push ourselves hard. For example, if you're going to gym and you do not have good body, so same here in maths. Okay. All right. So here are the things I would say. Um, this thing you can solve easily because we have already discussed.
Yeah, I can solve that.
You can take a screenshot of it. Have you
Mhm.
taken?
Yep.
Take this one as well.
1 second. This one, I can't do.
This one you
I still
can't.
took it, but I can't
Hmm.
do this one. I can do. It's because for the first one, before the decimal, there's 2 digits, and in the second one, there's only 1 digit.
You can take a screenshot. We may discuss
I
about
did.
it.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
This one
Yeah.
also. Take a screenshot.
What is that?
So these are three slides which will be your homework. And this is little advanced. Okay. So be conscious. Try your level best. If you're unable to do, I will help you tomorrow. Right? Okay. Thank you very much for taking this session. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye.